much the end screen of the application. Very, very simple layout. And you have a lot of options as it relates to thumbnails. So this is a thumbnail application. Here you have the news section, you have the music thumbnails, which you can use as well. Gaming thumbnails, you have the normal kids channels thumbnails, comedy channels thumbnail, you have the vlog channel thumbnails, as you can see here. The vlog channel thumbnails and so forth. So very, very basic application, and it's very easy to use. So let's say you want to try these thumbnails. You won't be able to download them over, but you can edit these thumbnails. But you can edit it through their studio, or you can use Google AI Studio, or you can even copy the prompt and get a similar result. But you won't get the guy in it, but you get the exact same results if you copy the prompt and put it in OpenAI. Pretty much you will get the same results. So it's either you copy the prompt or you tap on the OpenAI option, Google AI option here, or the Google or the AI Studio option, and it will just redirect it to Google Chrome. From there, you'll be able to edit it and so forth. So that's really pretty much it for the application. You have the business section, which it does give you a business card as well, as you can see here, and you have the product section as well. And all of these are pretty much the same, as you can see. And in the profile option, nothing much, just you setting up of your profile and so forth. But very decent application, and it's very easy to use, but it does need a bit more templates for you to choose from, and the option for you to edit these templates within the application instead of redirecting to Google Chrome. So that's really pretty much it for the application. Very easy to use, and if you still don't understand something, just comment below and let me know. See you in the next one.